For your weather first, though, look at this amazing sunset in Nampa. Steve, Michael Yap posted this to the Idaho Weather Watchers Facebook page. Look at those flowers. Look at the great sunset. Thank you so much for sharing them. Just gorgeous. Once that sun gets in the air, though, you miss pictures like this and scenes like this even more because it's much cooler when the sun's coming up.
And what are we going to do when the smoke's all gone and we have pure, clear air again? We won't have these beautiful pictures.
Stop coughing.
Idaho sunrises and sunsets are great. And speaking of sunrises, take a look at the one behind me on SkyCam right now. Go outside and take a look at it too after we're off the air. And you'll be seeing the clouds colored by that sunrise. Those clouds are coming in from the southwest, triggering a few isolated sprinkles here or there, just a little bit of a surge of some monsoon moisture being pulled through. 75 degrees right now in Boise. Southeast winds at 6 miles per hour. So between the southeast wind and the clouds, we've stayed fairly mild throughout the night. And you can see that batch of moisture as it came out of eastern Oregon, across Hawaii County, drifting up over the Treasure Valley. West Central Mountains saw a few sprinkles and showers here and there. It's holding together a little bit better as it moves into southern Elmore County and heads on into the western Magic Valley in the next hour or so. Up in the central mountain areas, a fire weather warning in effect because there is that chance for thunderstorms to pop up, produce some lightning and gusty winds, and with the dry and hot conditions, that will start a fire or expand existing fires. Be very, very careful when you're camping or hiking, anything to do with fire. Meanwhile, we do have a low pressure trough on the west coast that'll be drifting gradually inland and move across our area later tomorrow and into Saturday. It keeps us in a southwesterly flow today. That's why it's going to be very warm again, back up near 100 degrees, and then brings a little bit of moisture continuing to stream into the area for isolated showers and thunderstorms, mainly in the mountains and down near the Nevada border. And then smoke will also be pushed farther east. Right now we still have a little bit of smoke out there, as you can see by the colors on the sunrise, but that will also be pushed farther to the east in the next 24 hours. We get a little bit of a break with less smoke around the area as we head into the start of the weekend. So what we're looking at across the eastern Pacific, high pressure dominating, but a couple of weak low pressure troughs moving across the coast from time to time. That will bring that chance of showers and thunderstorms into Idaho. Very isolated though, and most numerous down near the Nevada border, maybe getting up into the southern Magic Valley. So Twin Falls, 94 and partly cloudy, 94 in Burley and Jerome, and 96 in Shoshone and Gooding. Up in the central mountain areas, also a slight chance of an afternoon thunder shower for the mountains. Mid-80s in Sun Valley, 91 in Haley. McCall, an isolated thunder shower also this afternoon, and in the mid-80s, maybe a sprinkle this morning with that moisture moving by. Upper 90s to low 100s in the western end of the valley, and pretty close to 100 in Boise, 100 in Mountain Home. Tomorrow, as that low pressure trough moves in, we cool off a bit, 93 on Friday, and a very pleasant 91 on Saturday, but then warming up again starting Sunday into next week when temperatures will get back up around the triple digits for a day or two.
Those roller coaster temperatures continue, Jim.
Thanks for the dollar.
Yeah, you got it. Anytime.